I'm going to show you how to replace the washer in this dripping tap. So this outside tap, you can see it dripping away here. We need to get into that and replace the washer. First thing to do is make sure you turn off the mains water at the stopcock. Next, we need to just drain off the tap. So if we turn that, there will still be some water in the pipes. So just let that run through for maybe about 30 seconds or so. Next, we're going to take an adjustable spanner, but it could be any, as long as it fits, and it needs to be positioned onto the lower portion of the tap here. Now, I've loosened this a little bit earlier, so a bit of cheating, but put a fair amount of force into this section, and then it'll actually just come off once you've got it going. Let's put that away. And there we go, and here's the washer that we need to replace. So the washer's the rubber bit on the top, and we've got a metal portion underneath that. Just make sure you get the right size washer and pop the replacement on, and then you just screw that back into place, and that should be it. Thanks for watching.